Hello, Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. This is As Muhammad Khan, and I again welcome you with an interesting topic. It is equation of motion. Dear student, equation of motion interrelates more than two physical quantities in a equal form. There are the three equations of motion, and with the help of those three equations of motion we can calculate or we can get the particular physical quantity. So the first equation of motion is velocity time relation. Velocity time relation. With the help of this equation of motion we can relate the velocity and time relation, and it contains the different velocities with acceleration. Like here v is equal to u plus at. So here what is v? V means final velocity. What is u here? U means initial velocity, a for acceleration and t for time. So it is the first equation of motion. V is equal to u plus at. So you will learn it. Second equation of motion, it is the relation in between position and time. In this s for the distance or displacement, and here the u for initial velocity, t for time, and a for acceleration, and this t again for time. So what is the second equation of motion? It is s is equal to ut plus half at square. So it is the second equation of motion. Third equation of motion, it is the relation in between position and velocity. And in this v for velocity, v square, and this u for initial velocity, and a for acceleration, and s for displacement. So it is the third equation of motion. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. So what are these? These are the three equations of motion. And these equations of motion help us to solve the different problems related to the questions that are related to motion, student. Now we will discuss about the next type of motion. It is uniform circular motion, student. Uniform circular motion. And uniform circular motion An object move in a circular path. Like this is one object and it moves in a circular path. It is known as circular motion. If the object moves with the constant speed in a circular path, then that is known as uniform circular motion. Means the object covers the path of the circular track in this. Like an athlete move in a track with the help of the circular motion. There is the example of uniform circular motion, like you will in this you can take one thread, and with that thread you can tie one chalk or one stone. When you rotate that like this you will rotate, then that is an example of uniform circular motion. And the uniform circular motion speed you can find with the help of this formula. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Now in this, the distance this circumference is covered by the particular object. That's why in the place of this distance, what can we take? We can take the 2 pi r, and for the time we can take t. So it is the formula of the speed in the case of uniform circular motion. So you will learn it. And in this, the speed unit is the same, that is meter per second. So what is r here? R is here the radius of the circular track, and pi for 3.14 it has a fixed value, and t for time taken by the object. So it is the formula of the uniform speed in the case of uniform circular motion, student. So now we have covered all the topics of chapter 8 motion, student. So in the next segment we will study about the numerical, student, most important topic, the numericals related to motion. So thank you very much and have a nice day.